Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find more games on the Pepi Wonder World application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a few minutes when the application is uploading. And new, click to the More Apps button at the lower right corner of the screen, and here you can find more similar games. And if you want to download one, just click to the Get button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.